Exploring the world of gardening, understanding worm bedding. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase from the world of gardening, worm bedding. This term might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in conversation. Let's dig into the world of worms and gardening. Worm bedding is a term used in vermicomposting, which is the process of using worms to turn organic waste into nutrient-rich compost. Worm bedding is the material in which the worms live and work. It's not just soil, it's a mix of materials like shredded newspaper, cardboard, peat moss, and aged compost. This bedding provides a comfortable environment for the worms, helping them thrive and efficiently break down organic matter. Worm bedding is crucial in vermicomposting because it retains moisture and air, two essential elements for worm survival and composting efficiency. The bedding material also absorbs odors and provides carbon, balancing the nitrogen-rich food scraps that worms consume. This balance is key to successful composting, preventing problems like bad smells or pest infestations. Preparing worm bedding involves mixing various materials to create a fluffy, absorbent, and moist environment. Regular maintenance includes adding more bedding materials as needed, keeping the bedding moist but not overly wet, and occasionally fluffing it to ensure proper aeration. This helps maintain a healthy environment for the worms and effective composting. So, there you have it. Worm bedding is an essential component of vermicomposting, providing a habitat for worms to transform waste into valuable compost. It's a wonderful example of how language can take us into new and interesting worlds, like the world of sustainable gardening. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Happy gardening and happy learning!